In this video, I'll show you how to invite friends to like your Facebook page. If you want to grow your page and get more followers, inviting your friends is one of the easiest ways to start. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. After that, tap the three horizontal lines icon in the corner of the screen to open the menu. From the menu, tap on Pages and then select the page you manage. Once your page opens, look for the option that says Invite Friends or Invite Friends to like this page and tap on it. You'll now see a list of your friends. Scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to find specific friends you want to invite. Next to each name, you'll see an Invite button. Tap the Invite button next to the friends you want to send an invitation to. After you tap Invite, they will receive a notification asking them to like your page. If they accept the invitation, they will automatically become followers of your page. You can invite multiple friends by tapping Invite next to several names before leaving the page. This is a simple way to quickly grow your Facebook page and reach more people. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tutorials.